there, it's Nina here with Walla Stamping. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I am so excited because I have a spring themed class that I'm going to be sharing with you. There's 2 cards and 2 boxes. Now, whether you're a beginner crafter or if you've been crafting for a long time, there's bound to be something in this class for you. New to paper crafting? Let me help you get some experience under your belt by showing you a few tips and tricks that'll help you be well on your way to being an awesome crafter. Been doing this for a while? Then I'm going to help you take some of the frustration out of coming up with ideas when you feel like you're out of ideas. If you're watching this video from the email that you received from me, first of all, thank you for being a part of the Walla Stamping newsletter family. Now there's going to be a button below this video that you can click on. It'll take you over to the page that has a lot more information, more images, and details about how you can participate in this class. If you're watching this video from another platform such as YouTube or Facebook, thank you for watching, and there will also be a link provided below for you to click on to take you to the page that has more information for this as well. Now, if you're not on my email list already, be sure that you visit my blog at wallastamping.com, get your name added to the list so that you can take advantage of the exclusive tutorials, gifts, and promotions that I give to all of my newsletter recipients. I've also got my email address provided below, so be sure to send me an email with any questions you might have. And let me take the opportunity now to invite you to click on that link and discover what all is included in this class and how you can participate. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.